Man that healed me, I won't go back.
And
he came back to give thanks. So we thank God in different ways and also God bless you as you offer. And may He keep blessing you. As they're stepping forward.
Nagira ngo bampere microphone.
2023-2024 ni Uwase Deborah.
Yes. Uwase Deborah akaba yegukanye ikamba ya Miss Murenge 2024 Uwase Deborah akaba ari we mukobwa rero ubashije kwegukana iri kamba rero akaba ari mukobwa
Man that healed me, I won't go back.
And
he came back to give thanks. So we thank God in different ways and also God bless you as you offer. And may He keep blessing you. As they're stepping forward.
Nagira ngo bampere microphone.
Hello everyone.
Nitwagire.
His by name is Agile.
Chanson yitwa Deborah.
The fiancé is called Deborah.
Twifuje kubatumira mu bukwe dufite dote izaba kuri sale yitwa Mahanaim Life Center ikabuga hafi na Equity Bank.
The introductory wedding will be at Mahanaim at Kabuga
itariki 28
on 28th.
Nukuvuga ngo haracamo kira cyumweru ikindi kwa gatanu.
Next week but one on Friday.
Izatangira saa 6.
We'll be at 12.
Hanyuma ku itariki 29
and on 29th
saa 7 n'igice
1 p.m.
church hano Foursquare.
The church will be here.
Reception izabera Romantic Garden.
Reception will be at Romantic Garden.
Saa 10 n'igice
4 p.m.
Bizadushimisha kubana nawe.
It is a blessing to be with you.
Imana yamugisha.
Mazina nitwa Aristotle.
Aristotle is the names.
Yitwa fiancé wanjye yitwa Mukobwa.
Mukobwa is the fiancé.
Duteranira Goshen Church muri Canada.
Fellowship in Canada Goshen Church.
Twifuje gukorera ubukwe hano.
They wanted to have a wedding here.
Dufite ubukwe ku itariki 22
on 22nd November.
Ni ukuvuga ngo next weekend kwa gatandatu.
Next Saturday.
So turatumiye mwese muzaze.
We welcome you all.
Ibirori byo gusaba no gukwa bizatangira saa 3.
Introductory wedding at 9.
Hari Panorama Home Garden.
Panorama Home Garden dedication. Rebero.
Hanyuma church gusezerana imbere y'Imana ni hano muri Foursquare.
Holy matrimony will be here.
Saa 8 zuzuye. Hanyuma y'ibyo ngibyo abatumiye bazakirirwa Panorama Rebero n'ubundi.
The reception will be again at Panorama.
Dukomeje kubatumira ngo muzabane natwe.
We welcome all of you to be with us.
Kubana namwe ni inkunga ikomeye
Be with
cyane.
you is a good support.
Kandi bizanezeza imitima yacu.
It will make our hearts glad.
Umuntu n'abandi kandi muzatubera umugisha.
Come and be a blessing.
Noneho muratubwira amazina yawe na ya mugenzi wawe ukatubwira na gahunda z'ubukwe bwanyu ko ziteye.
Your names and your brand.
Yesu ashimwe. Amazina y'abayita Eric.
By the names of Eric.
Fiancé wanje akaba yitwa Munezero Yvette.
She's called Munezero Yvette.
Ubukwe tubufite ku itariki 22
We have a wedding
kwezi
on 22nd November
bukaba buzobera kuri Romantic Garden.
at Romantic Garden.
Niho tuzohera dote uhereye ku
The dowry at 9. Holy matrimony will be here. The reception also will go back there.
Dukunda kubivuga iyo twaranze abantu tubatubwira ngo niba hariho icambere niba hariho umuntu waba ufite impamvu ikwiye gutuma twabasezeranya akaza akayivuga muri administration.
When we show people here, we want you to say any reason that we should not wed them in the administration.
Ariko kubera ko isi maze kuzuramo n'abasambuzi tuba twanza tukayigenzura.
But we have first analyze your reasons because people might have different alternatives.
Umuntu yuko amaze gusakubera izindi mpamvu akaza gucuragurira abandi bana.
We could be coming with different intentions, so we have to analyze your
turagenzura tubasezeranya.
If your motive is right, we don't wed them.
Ariko dusanze idafite ishingiro turabasezeranya.
But if it is wrong, we wed them.
Ikindi cya kabiri turabaranga kugira ngo mubyukuri muzabashigikire.
We also show them here so that you might support them.
Iyo umunyetorero akoze ubukwe akabonamo abanyetorero aranezerwa.
When a member of the church have a wedding and they see the members, they are so happy.
Imana y'umugisha rero muhirwa ku cyumweru yahize ko azataha ubukwe bwa nirugarura bwa rugarura.
God bless you, that we will
kandi ejo yarabutaje.
Of Rugarura, and he was there yesterday.
Rero ni umunezero kuri bo iyo bababonye mwabatahiye ibirori.
It is a blessing to see you in their wedding.
Icyaga tatari nacyo cyanyuma tuba tugira ngo muzabahe no ku mafaranga.
The last thing we want you to support them financially.
Murabizi ubukwe busaba nyine ibintu byinshi.
You know it's a huge budget to have a
rero
wedding.
bisaba yavuze ngo umuntu n'abandi.
He said the person is made by others.
Umuntu n'abandi ashobora kuba afite uburyo yateguye ubukwe bwe ariko n'ayanyu mafaranga yomufasha.
There is a way they plan, but also you supporting them is important.
Kuko ari abana bacu.
Because they are our children.
Hanyuma rero Imana ikomeze bagire neza mu myiteguro.
God bless you in your preparations.
Ejo ni mubabona bari mu mujyi ari babiri ntimukavuge ko bakururana bari mu myiteguro y'ubukwe.
When you see them in town together, know that they are preparing their
Yesu
wedding.
akomeze bagire neza barinde ikibi cyose abarinde impanuka mu gihe cy'imyiteguro igihe cyose.
May God protect
Muba
you.
amahoro kandi mutegure ibirori byanyu neza. Tuzabitaha ibyo dushoboye gutaha.
We will come into your weddings how we can.
Tuzabigerageza. Reka dukomere Imana yacu amashyi basubira mu myanya yabo. Yesu abagire
Let's
neza.
lift our hands as they go back to their seats.
Hanyuma ndagira ngo tugiye kumva ijambo ry'Imana ariko ndagira ngo mvuge ku matangazo makeya.
I'm going to speak a few announcements before the sermon.
Hariho gahunda zisanzwe z'icyumweru zo kwitorero hano.
There are different programs that we have in the week.
Kuwambera abamama n'abakobwa bajya bakora amateraniro yabo nimugoroba.
Monday we have women fellowship.
Turagira rero ngo umumama n'umukobwa
2024 uyu munsi tugomba kumenya Miss umukobwa wahize abandi, umukobwa w'umunyamurenge mu bakobwa bose b'abanyamurenge. Miss Mulenge World 2023-2024 ni Uwase Deborah.
Yes. Uwase Deborah akaba ari wegukanye ikamba ya Miss Mulenge 2024 Uwase Deborah akaba ari we mukobwa rero ubashije kwegukana iri kamba rero akaba ari we mukobwa wegukanye. Turasaba umutuzo, turasaba audience please. Reka dusabe bagenzi be bati rwose urabikwiye, you deserve it. Ati congratulation rwose, ati warakoze cyane. Akaba ari we wegukanye iri kamba ya Nyampinga Miss Mulenge World 2023-2024. Reka nsabe bazane check intebe, bazane intebe rwose, mutuzanire intebe. Yes, Miss Mulenge 2023-2024 akaba abaye Uwase Deborah wegukanye akayabo k'amafaranga 200,000 by'amanyakenya, ndetse akaba azishyurirwa gukorerwa umusatsi inzara umwaka wose, ndetse kandi akazabasha kuzajya abona igihembo cyangwa se umushahara wa buri kwezi. Turaza gusaba abafite check nanone n'abasigaye baraza gufata ibihembo byabo, reka tubasabe baze rwose basiwo basinye kuri iyi check. Niba hari abo mu muryango we baza bakifotoza, ababyeyi be rwose abavandimwe be baza bakifotoza. Yes, ati warakoze mwana wacu, ati congratulations. Reka dusabe bafotore, dusabe rwose. Yes, kaba ari abavandimwe be. Yes, Miss Mulenge World 2023-2024 akaba abaye Uwase Deborah. Reka tuze gusaba nyuma y'ifoto y'abavandimwe Dr. Samuel asinya Papa Legend OG akaba abishoje, ati rero akaba ariwe wegukanye ikamba muri iri rushanwa. Yes, hanyuma turaza gusaba abavandimwe be cyangwa family baze kuvaho dusigarana ifoto ya ba CEO. Ndabona hari umubyeyi. Congratulations, reka amwambike iryo kamba rwose. Yeah, ndetse hari n'ikamba rya Nyampinga aze kurimwambika ahagarariye Miss Theodora wacuye igihe, ati kamba rwose urarikwiriye, ati n'ibisonga byawe. Yes, wow. Hanyuma rero reka ze gusaba Papa Legend ndetse na Dr. Sam bamushikiriza envelope y'ibihumbi, akayabo k'ibihumbi 200 ndetse n'ibihembo bye. Yes, yes, barakoze cyane. Reka sabe n'abachairman bifotozanye batanga akakayabo k'amafaranga ibihumbi. Bantu banje we biragoye, biteye amarangamutima. Ndaza gusaba tugabanye amarangamutima, hanyuma inze gusaba umukobwa wabashe guhiga abandi mu bwiza, akabahiga muri byose, akaba ari we wegukanye ikamba rya Miss Mulenge World 2023-2024. Ndaza gusaba judge aze kubidufashamo rwose kugira ngo atubwire ngo ninde.
Murakoze. Chenye mwanzo kina mwisho. Buri rugendo rugira itangiriro rukagira iherezo. Urugendo rwo mu 2023 2024, uyu munsi tugomba kumenya Miss umukobwa wahize abandi, umukobwa w'umunyamurenge mu bakobwa bose b'abanyamurenge. Miss Mulenge World 2023-2024 ni Uwase Deborah.
Yes. Uwase Deborah akaba ariwe wegukanye ikamba rya Miss Mulenge 2023-2024. 2024 Uwase Deborah akaba ari we mukobwa rero ubashije kwegukana iri kamba rero akaba ari we mukobwa wegukanye turasaba umutuzo turasaba audience please reka dusabe bagenzi be bati rwose urabikwiye you deserve it ati congratulation rwose ati warakoze cyane akaba ari we wegukanye iri kamba rya Nyampinga Miss Murenge World 2023-2024 reka